Hey guys, so today's question is that whether one individual can run an LLC as a solo partnership. I think you can do that. So LLC is basically a form of a company which has all the liabilities it carries itself. You will be free from any liabilities which arises you being a owner, right? So it can have a partnership model which can be solo or it can be with other people, and then it can have a classification of S corp if you needed more flexibility when you have a more earning and things like that, right? So but yes, a single person can have solo partnership and they can run the company, and if you need more partners in the future, you can file certain forms with the treasury and you can get updated, but you can get started with one single member LLC as well. So thanks. Yeah.